Nothing constructive and worthy of man's efforts ever has been or ever will be achieved except that which comes from a positive mental attitude based upon a definite purpose and activated by a burning desire and intensified until the burning desire is elevated to the plane of applied faith.
Victory is always possible for the person who refuses to stop fighting. It is literally true that you can succeed best and quickest by helping others to succeed. Patience, persistence, and perspiration make an unbeatable combination for success. Education comes from within. You get it by struggle and effort and thought. Man alone has the power to transform his thoughts into physical reality. You give before you get. When your desires are strong enough, you will appear to possess superhuman powers to achieve. If you do not conquer self, you will be conquered by self. Don't wait. The time will never be just right. Every person who wins in any undertaking must be willing to cut all sources of retreat. Happiness is found in doing, not merely possessing. Any idea, plan, or purpose may be placed in the mind through repetition of thought. No man is ever whipped until he quits in his own mind. More gold has been mined from the thoughts of men than has been taken from the earth. The ladder of success is never crowded at the top. Persistence is to the character of man as carbon is to steel. Strength and growth come only through continuous effort and struggle. War grows out of the desire of the individual to gain advantage at the expense of his fellow man. There are no limitations to the mind except those we acknowledge. Your big opportunity may be right where you are now. Hold a picture of yourself long and steadily enough in your mind's eye, and you will be drawn toward it. Great achievement is usually born of great sacrifice, and is never the result of selfishness. My life has a purpose, and my work is a labor of love. No accurate thinker will judge another person by that which the other person's enemies say about him. No man can succeed in a line of endeavor which he does not like. It is always your next move. Ideas are the beginning points of all fortunes. Man alone has the power to transform his thoughts into physical reality. Only by doing so can one be sure of maintaining that state of mind known as a burning desire to win.